everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily delete items in Undawn. If you are playing Undawn and looking for a way to delete items from your inventory, then the process is quite easy. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch open the Undawn game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the backpack icon on the left corner. Now, you will be able to get to your backpack where you can select an item you want to remove. Find the item you don't need anymore, and once you find it, just select the item and click on the discard or the delete button. In the pop-up, click confirm and the item will be deleted or discarded. So that's how you can easily delete an item you no longer need in Undawn. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.